Correlation 1. El Ministerio de Tecnologías de la Información y las Comunicaciones de Colombia, la Unidad Administrativa Especial de Aeronáutica Civil, and we, Team 105, comprised of Isaac Blanco, Laura Herrera, Sebastián Mesa, Santiago Galindo, Juan Galeso, and Valentina Ortega, present our project. Improvement of Aircraft Management in Colombian Airspace. The management of the airspace in the Aeronáutica Civil is done primarily by manual techniques. This decision-making process depends on the manual processing of information stored in a database. Fortunately, the latest advances in technology and information systems prove that based on a data-driven approach, a data dashboard and predictive models can provide a decision-making assistance for strategic management of the air traffic. In that way, La Aeronáutica Civil has a huge opportunity around the application of new technologies such as analytics models, process automation, and artificial intelligence. And for these reasons, we built Air6, a solution that focuses on two issues. First, a description of the airspace usage, and second, the prediction for the change in airspace demand. The first stage of our solution was to build a relational database on PostgreSDB. It was a result of the unification of 5 datasets, including a time span starting on 2017 to 2022. The second step is our solution, integrated by 2 models. The first one, a descriptive and diagnostic analytic model, represented by an interactive dashboard. Our solution was built on Power BI. We developed an interactive and user-friendly tool with a first navigation page, as you can see. In this one, you can find 3 layers or options to navigate. First one, general descriptive. Second one, flight statistics, and finally, routing information. In the first page, Descriptiva General, you can find on the left side some important metrics that change or are updated with the filters that are applied. On the upper side, the user can interact with filters. For example, you could select a specific time span, add the origen, and visualize the graphs for your filter selections. 2 visualizations are presented in this page. First one, frequency and descriptive of relevant variables, and second one, flight's general information. The second page shows in detail information about flights. You can answer important questions, as for example, what are historically the time slots with highest frequency of flights? Or even answer these questions for a specific day, simply changing the upper filter. Also, you can find the most visited airports with this bubble map and update all the dashboard information for your selection simply with a click. Other questions that you can answer with this dashboard are around flight levels, aircraft characteristics, or flight profiles. Even, you could make a temporal analysis and evidence how are changing the flight flows per month, per day, per year, even per quarter of hour, or for example, what was the COVID-19 effect? And our last page is routes. In this one, you can visualize the flight route and evidence important variations in the flight levels for a specific date or even other filters. Next, we present the second part of our solution, where we worked on 2 models, classification and regression. The first one, classification model, predicts according to supplied characteristics such as month, day, year, turbulence management at what altitude the flight could be. This was made with the sklearn model random forest classifier. And the second one, we present the regression model that allows knowing the number of flights by altitude on a given date and time. It was made with sklearn models, in this case, gradient boosting regression and multi-output regression. Finally, as we can see, the output is definitely interactive, and it allows us to choose multiple or single altitudes to visualize. To conclude, Air6, our solution, was able first to classify, organize, and visualize data from 5 datasets containing over 300,000 inputs altogether. Secondly, the software's user-friendly interface enables the fast and effortless processing of the data, which transforms into fewer needs of human capital. And finally, the graph selection allows human experience and intuition to be replaced with historical and statistical data for more accurate decision-making. Do you want to know more about us? Here is our contact information. Thank you very much. We, Team 100